Okay, here we are with the Bug. This is Miss Bug and Hank puppies. This is the last ever Miss Bug and Hank puppy crew. And they're all girls. Okay, all girls. So I guess I'm gonna look at my list and see who that's gonna bother. Who's that gonna bother? Let's see if I can tell. Well, it's hard to know. Hard to know. Everybody wanted all girls in the last round, so who knows? Now everybody wants all boys. I don't know. But these are all girls. And they're going to be very nice, as usual. Miss Bug. Miss Bug, puppies. Oh, she knows. She's standing right here by my feet. It's like, I know what you're doing. The little one. Oh no, there's a nose. There's a paw. There's two. Okay, you gotta get down, Retro. Miss Curious is back. So, well, you know, they're all, if you wanted apricot, reddish, most red, rose nose, black nose, probably, maybe, probably, black. That's they can change actually. That one's probably gonna stay rose. Stay rose. Maybe. 3 blacks maybe. So that's our crew. These were born. Let's see if I can get this right. Last video I got it wrong, so just if you were watching this video now, the Maddie puppies were born on the 7th. On this litter, the Bug puppies were born on the 14th. So you can look at your calendar 8 weeks from now, or from then, you'll be taking home a puppy. 6 weeks from then, you'll be choosing 6 to 7. I'll let you know more. Week 5, we'll microchip them. Okay? So, until then, enjoy, reach out to me, and call. If you have any questions, it's actually the best way to get a hold of me now. It's just to call. Maybe once or twice, I don't know. I try, but there's lots to do here. Okay, guys, enjoy.